Hey, what's up guys? It's Gardening with Dave, and tomorrow is race day. I'll be running a half marathon in, you heard it correct, in Crocs.
Okay, to our athletes here, we want to thank you and welcome you to our
It's official.
69th annual
We got
Volcano
this.
Days run.
Let's go get our shirts.
For those,
Need a coffee.
Excited and ready.
The hardest part was getting up. You ready, Gabriel? Your first half marathon?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Have you seen Jenny? It felt like running.
All right, there we go. Gabriel, what do you think? You excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
have a nice run, you guys.
Thank you. Morning. Body heat, nice one.
And in Boston, I basically like, I don't think so. That'll be more of a challenge.
All right, people. Let's do this. We'll see you guys at the top. Thank you. All right, mile 0. Gabe, how you feeling?
Sore. Very tired.
All right, we're feeling tired and sore, but we'll check in with you guys at mile 1. All right, mile 1 it is. And we put these in sport mode.
In between the poles.
Come across the back. Come across the middle. Where you're coming to start.
All right, Gabe.
Speed walk.
So we're running in Lincoln Forest. One mile down.
Feels easy so far. Don't like it.
Feels easy, but we're not a fan. We'll see you guys at mile 2. All right, we're here at mile 2. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Come on, guy.
All right, made it to mile 3. Gabriel, where you at? Getting some of them gels? Some of the gummy. All right, gummy, and we're gonna keep going.
1 minute.
You got this, Gabriel. Mile 4. And we're still going. All right, Gabriel, 4 miles are in. How do you feel? Stay hard. All right, we'll see you at mile 5. We're at mile 5. Mile 5, Gabriel. Hey. All right. Yeah, 8 miles left.
Yeah.
You ready?
Let's go. I haven't really been walking yet.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a hard time this steady,
Yeah.
slow pace run.
We are feeling a little tired now. Things are going good. Whenever you're ready. All right, we're getting closer to mile 7. Gabriel's doing a great job. The Crocs. All right, mile 7 is complete, and we're trying to catch up to Gabriel's son. So far, he's doing really good in the race. Let's see how he does at mile 13. We are getting here at mile 8. All right, we made it to mile 9, and I'm trying to speed up so I can use the restroom. Gabriel's somewhere back there. All right, Gabriel, we made it to mile 10. 3.1 more to go. How you feeling? No, we're not gonna sprint. We'll sprint.
But it's a 5K line. Come on, Dad.
We'll speed up at mile 12. How about that?
5.
Mile 12, we'll speed up. All right. We'll catch you guys later on in mile 11. Gabriel got some of that power. You missed your level up. All right. We are getting closer to mile 11. And our legs are getting a little tired now. We'll catch up with you guys at mile 12. Can't find the marker, but I know we're getting closer. All right. We're at mile 11. I'm out of water. And I think we're gonna be okay. We are getting closer to mile 12. We are feeling a little tired now, but we're gonna power through. Mile 13. Gabriel and I still working through. We're almost there, Babel. You want 230? Let's go, Gabriel.
Jerry David, Christina, Gabriel. Let's finish.